Hello guys, in this video I'm going to give you the introduction to HTML. So this is the first part of HTML tutorial. If you want to get more HTML tutorial video, then please subscribe to this channel and click the link in the description to go to HTML tutorial videos. From there you can find every HTML tutorial video. So guys, now let's begin. So first, let's start with what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. If you want to be a web developer, then you can learn HTML. With HTML, you can create a website. Then after learning HTML, then you have to learn CSS, then JavaScript. Then after learning these languages, then you have to learn some backend languages like PHP and Python. If you want to create a website, then you have to learn HTML because every website is created with HTML. So HTML is a very important language in web development. So that's it guys. In our next video, I will tell you more about HTML. So if you want to get more HTML tutorial videos, then please subscribe to this channel and click the link in the description to go to HTML tutorial playlist. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching. For now, see you next time.